I got this multi-purpose garage storage. So this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put it together. So here's the rack fully assembled. Right now we'll load it up with some stuff. And just so you know, here's the tools it comes with. It comes with the little wrench for the wheels. And all these screws in this long bag are all the same size. And then these, if you want to mount this against a wall so it doesn't fall, the instructions. So you will need a Phillips screwdriver. I used the drill, which was a lot quicker, but a Phillips screwdriver for all these screws. So I filled it up with a few things just so you could have an idea. So the 2 hooks, I put my hat, I put my cleats. You could put baseballs or different kind of balls up here, softballs. Fill that up with whatever you want. And the other side as well. And the cool thing about this one, if you put balls in here, this opens up and you could grab them. And you got hooks on the other side. So this is a really nice storage. I use this for sports stuff, but you could use it for anything.